Hey guys, it's Adrian. Welcome to another video. Today, in this video, I am going to be naming my slimes and showing you a slime. So it's sort of like naming slime plus slime collection video. So let's get started. So this is the slime I made. I'm not going to take it out because it's really sticky, but it's squishy and it's stretchy. And it's sticky, but it's a good slime. So this is like a gray slime, and it has might look different on the video, but it's like gray with pink sparkles. I don't know if you can see the sparkles. Yeah, you should be able to see. It's like a little bit of pink sparkles. And this one's gonna be named Melted Oreo, because it looks like a melted Oreo. I'm gonna get a Sharpie. Now, I'm not a big fan of Oreos myself, but I like the slime, and I'm gonna name it Melted Oreo. Sorry if I spelled melted wrong. I probably did. I'm sorry. Just grabbing all my slimes. I'm sorry if I take a minute. I got all my slimes here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slimes. Now I have 11 with me. This slime my friend made. She just forgot to bring it back. So I'm not going to name it. It's stretchy. I'm going to have to get back to her sometime. Squishy. And she loves fun that does this. Makes those noises. I think she wanted to name it Blue Sky. I don't remember. This is another one she made. I don't know what to name it either. I mean, it's not really stretchy, and it's squishy. It makes that noise too. This one's not very good, but I'm not gonna name these two because they're not mine. Right now, first we're gonna do this, and it's actually not slime. It's hard. It's putty, guys. Yeah, I know. I put putty in this, so I just wanted to keep it in there. But so this is just putty. I'm not going to name it putty. It's just putty. This one is, now let's actually get back to naming this one. This one's a yellow with pink sparkle slime. It's stretchy. Sort of makes that noise. Yeah, it does. I like it a lot. I don't know if I made a video of this. No, I didn't. But I'm going to be posting. I think I want to call this Banana Slime. Yeah, that's a good name. I'm going to call this Banana Slime. Hold on. So, Banana Slime. Banana Slime. I really like this slime. So, yeah. This one is a pink slime. I'm going to do this one at the end. This one is, okay, this one's a white slime. It's a little sticky. Hold on. This one is just regular white. It's stretchy. Makes loud noise. I like this. It's not too. It's a little sticky. It smells. What does that smell like? I think it's like Dawn soap. No, it can't be. Oh yes, I have no idea what that is. I don't know how I made this slime. I don't remember. As you can see, it is a little sticky. It's sticking. But I like this slime, and I think I wanted to do cloud slime. Yeah, I think I want to name it Cloud Slime. The cover keeps. Yeah, I want to call this Cloud Slime. So yeah, I love how it makes that popping sound. It's really loud, and I really like it. So Cloudy Slime. Cloudy. These slimes are eventually gonna dry up, but I can just wash the green and get it off. This one's a green slime I've had for a while. Makes that popping sound, and it's a green and it's stretchy. It wasn't sticky at first. It was sticky a while ago. It's not sticky anymore. I like it. It's gonna look dark on the screen, but it's like a light green. I really like it, and I have no idea what to name this. It has purple sparkles in it, by the way. Maybe like grassy slime. I don't know. There's a couple of these are some different names. Well, this is a purple slime, and I used a whole bottle, like a regular bottle of glue. And it's bigger than this. It's bigger than these sizes. It's stretchy. I've had this for a long time now, and it's still stretchy and stuff. So I like that, and I think I'm gonna plum slime. I'm not gonna write. Yeah, plum slime. Make sure if you're gonna write on the Sharpie, make sure you use containers you don't care about. Plum slime. Yeah, plum slime. I like. It's a plum slime. This is a blue slime. It makes that noise. It's a little like it feels wet, sort of like that. It's slowly stretchy. It's squishy. It's not great stretchiness. It stretches like that. I make the popping noise all the time. That was another bottle of glue. No, I'm gonna have to name it. Ocean slime. Now this slime is my biggest slime I have. This is 2 bottles of glue, and it's not the best slime. Makes it nice. I love this color, and it's really big, and it's actually stretchy. And this was not made with emeralds. I can't say it, but emerald glue. I think that's it. Emerald. You just know what I'm talking about. And if this glue is dropped glue and it does not have PVA in it, and it's stretchy. I'm really happy about. And and I'll kind of bubble when you take it out. But then when you play with it, it gets that nice smooth texture. And so even fun to play with the whole thing, but it's still fun to play just a little bit. And this is a really nice container because it keeps it shut nicely. And I think I want to name this. That one's Ocean's. Ew. Sky Blue. This is Sky Blue Slime. And I like that. So now we're on to the last slime. I almost forgot about it. Why did this one last? So this one dyes your hands pink because I accidentally used a lot of food coloring. I don't mind. And it has like doughy texture. You guys can feel it, but it's a little harder to stretch. I added Mono Magic to it so it has more doughy. I really like it, and why I did it because I didn't want to dip that white slime. I did not want to turn it pink. And I'll show you. You can't really see it very well, but they are a little tinted pink. You can't see it very well anymore, but I used to dye your hands a lot. So I'm really liking the slime and giving you a heads up. When I get 50 subscribers on this channel, I want to make a whole gallon of slime. So that's going to be my biggest slime ever. Hopefully it turns out good. And when I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to mix all my slime together. I'm going to take it all out and show you. Pink. Pink. Oh, I forgot to name this one. I'm naming this Bubblegum Slime. Yes, Bubblegum Slime. Because I think it goes with it. Bubble Gum Slime. Now, people make bubblegum slime, and I like it a lot. So bubblegum slime. Alright, so anyway, I'm gonna go tell you the name of the slime again and show you the slime one more time, just really quickly. So this one's bubblegum slime. It's stretchy. And it dyes your hands pink though. This is slime. It's stretchy and it feels slime. I've had this slime for a while. This is ocean slime. It's squishy. You stretch it slowly. I still love it. This is the grassy slime. Again, stretchy, squishy, non-sticky, and I don't know if I told you this before, but I hate sticky slime. It's so annoying. Somehow they're fun. This is the cloudy slime. Again, it's very stretchy, not sticky, and it's turning green. Guys, because of my hands were green, and it's turning green. Sort of, but this is cloudy slime. This is banana slime, stretchy. Makes that sound I like. Hopefully you guys can hear it. It's stretchy. I love it. This is melted Oreo. Stretchy. Makes the noise I like. And it's really fun. last but not least, a ginormous slime. Makes the popping sound I like. It's stretchy. Really stretchy. It's very fun. I love the color. I just don't know why I'm obsessed with it. It's falling. This is horrible slime at first. Go check out the video where I made this slime, and it was not good. And now look at it is. Now look at it. Ah! And if you just wondering what glue I use this one. It does not have PVA in it. And as you can see, it's still stretchy. It's still stretchy and stuff, and I still like it. I'm gonna throw this away. I have more slimes, but they're really bad slimes, so I'm not gonna show those to you. I'm gonna throw them away soon. I love this slime. So that is the end of my slime collection / naming slimes. I love my slimes so much. It's so fun to make, and apparently you can't see my face very well. I love these slimes. Okay, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys liked. Subscribe, comment down below of any other ideas of videos I could do. Remember, go check out my other channel, Slime Lovers. It's a picture of a pink slime. Yeah. And I have 2 videos already. Yay! I have one of me making the pink slime with the picture, and one with me and my friend. And we're making, she made these 2 slimes. She made this slime in the video. She made this one out of the video. My friend made this slime in the video, and I made this slime in the video, the melted Oreo. Go check out how I made this, and go check out how she made this. I'm going to show you the slime quickly, so you know how it is. It's stretchy. Smells really nice, and she used Dawn dish soap. But I like it a lot, and I'm going to have to give it to her sometime. I'm not going to be keeping this slime. Give credit to her. Go check out her stuff down in the video, down in the description. Remember, subscribe, comment down below of other video ideas. I'm going to be posting today till Friday. It's Monday, so I'm posting today. Now, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and maybe Saturday. Not sure. I'm gonna plan it, man. And I got my room all to myself this week because my sister's in Maine with her class. She's at Nature's Classroom, so I get my room all to myself. I'm gonna make a 4. I'm gonna stay up late. Maybe. Probably not. I'm gonna have a snack. I'm gonna watch a movie. That's so much fun this week. But anyway, remember to subscribe, and hope you guys liked all my slimes. I'm gonna show you my favorite slime. My favorite slime is this bubblegum slime. You know, it dyes your hands. I made this slime at my friend's house. It's bubblegum slime. I made regular pink slime, and then I added. Make sure you make a very slimy slime, and about get this much of Mod Podge. And this is Model Magic. Never mind. This much is Model Magic, and just mix it with your slime, and it'll give out the story texture. So, hope you guys like this video. Remember that I said 3 times, but anyway, I'm not gonna say it again. That's my favorite slime. But anyway, bye guys.